Engine number 13. The Fat Controller admired is recently repainted at number 12. I'm so glad you're my number 12, Emily, said the Fat Controller grandly.
Thank you, sir,
said Emily. Just then, Maya popped up alongside the Sterling single.
Excuse me, sir, but why I'm number 24 and Emily's number 12? So what became of number 13?
Asked. That, said an unfamiliar voice, it's something I can explain, said an unfamiliar engine came up along with two more engines who seemed to have been on the railway before. The Fat Controller was most impressed. Adam, it has been so long since my great-grandfather was the controller of this railway, he said. And Marklin and Igor, so nice to see you both after all these years. Naturally, sir, said the International Tank Engine. We were just chatting to some old friends. And by old friends, we mean the big engines that were here when we first came. Marklin tooted happily. That Controller was so delighted to have the old friends of some of his engines back on Sodor, or that he decided to let them get on like old friends.
Adam, who or what is engine number 13?
Maya asked that night. Engine number 13, Maya. Oh, what was actually one of the first engines to have ever roamed this island during the railway's early days. Gordon was not impressed. Oh, great. Another reminder of the olden days. Just when you thought it was safe to go back to the library. Oh, the indignity, Gordon groaned and crossly.
Gordon, there are some engines who don't know about this railway's past,
said Eagle, all knowingly. Knowing full well that the big blue engine wasn't very interested in the stories of the railway's past, Glyn agreed. You know, Gordon, there are some engines that haven't heard about this story yet, so perhaps we should tell them anyway? You just say trouble? Adam agreed. That's exactly what I had in mind, Marklin. So, I think it's only fair that everyone present should know about this. And this is the story Adam told. Long ago, long before Thomas first arrived, there was a ship with 6 engines. And there was Edward Henry Eagle, or Marklin, myself, and an engine named 13. I was shocked.
That engine was named 13? Why?
Asked the little blue ginty out of curiosity. Well, you see, Maya, Adam answered, before continuing with the story, this particular engine had no name, just a number, which proved very ironic. He thought no one worked as hard as he did. And I only went to his smoke box. Agreed Marklin. Knowingly. The other engines were surprised. Instead, Adam continued with the story. As Marklin had said, Adam continued, Number 13 thought that no one worked as hard as he did. Yet that only made him even more pompous. To an extent, we started clashing with his colleagues. Most notably, Henry, to be exact. You're so oversized you don't even realise what you're doing, said Number 13 rudely to Henry. And that was only the first part. As everyone found out when 4 engines from the LNER started their trials. And that's where I come in, said Gordon. And grimly.
Say that, Gordon. He even got mouthy with water, Crovan and Lord Glenister too.
And Eagle was right. You don't tell us what to do, little one. That's the Fat Director's job. What's the Fat Director gonna do about it? He never listens to me. You lot never listen to me either. Number 13 scoffed before storming away. Walter and Crovan snickered at this, as they were blissfully unaware of what dangers would await Number 13. Danger, Gordon stammered, feeling a sudden nerve come out of his smoke box. Well, you see, Gordon, said Marklin, Number 13 was pulling a line of the most nastiest trucks on the railway. And I tell you, he did not stop pulling tricks on him. You see, the trucks were being naughty towards him. You were making him go so fast.
We'll show him who's boss.
And he was carrying a fuel tanker behind him, and sparks were about to fly everywhere. And then, suppose, it happened.
What happened next seemed rather shocking,
said Eagle grimly. There was a long silence.
What's happened?
Asked Maya in a startled tone of voice. It's not nice to talk about, said Adam glumly. But what happened? And gasped James. Why isn't it nice? Adam sighed and explained everything. The Fat Director plainly decided it's to make Marklin the new station pilot instead of Number 13. When he found out about the burning of wood planks and the fire, he decided to sentence Number 13 back to his old railway in disgrace. It's true, I was allocated to new station pilot long before Thomas arrived, meaning he helped Edward teach him everything he needed to know about shunting. And I was a lot better than Number 13. The other engines were silent, shocked at the story they had just been told to them.